Today we're going to talk about the Bernoulli distribution, a very important discrete distribution function. Let's let's consider this example. Toss a fair coin once. What is the distribution of the number of heads? So well, the number of heads will follow the Bernoulli distribution. Suppose we do a single experiment where each experiment can either be success or failure. So the probability of success will be represented by P and probability of failure will be represented by 1 minus P. Now suppose we consider our random variable x equals to 1 if a success occur and x equal to 0 if a failure occurs. Then if this condition holds, then we will have a Bernoulli distribution, that is P of capital X equals to small x equals to P to the power x into 1 minus P to the power 1 minus x. Sometimes we write this as Px. Now we're gonna write that this equation will hold for x equals to 0 and 1. So now all of this sometimes called probability mass function. Now if we want to write it for the individual values of x, then p of x equals to 1 will be p of 1 into 1 minus p of 1 minus 1, putting values of x as 1. This will be p. This is the probability of success, and probability x equal to 0 equals to p to the power 0 1 minus p to the power 1 minus 0, it will be 1 minus p. So this is the probability of failure. Now we're gonna see an example of the Bernoulli distribution. So the question is, what is the distribution of the number of fours rolled when we roll a fair six-sided die? So here is the number of rolls is simply 1. So it is Bernoulli distribution. Then our probability of success will be 1 by 6 because we roll 1 4 out of 6 sides. So then the probability distribution function of the rolls of a die will be x equal to x into 1 by 6 into x power x into 1 minus 1 by 6 to the power 1 minus x. Now if x equals to 1, this means we rolled a 4, so the probability of x equals to 1 will be 1 by 6. And if x equals to 0, this means probability of x equals to 0 1 minus 1 by 6 to the power 1, and it will be 5 by 6. So probability of not rolling a 4 will be 5 by 6.